Hi friends, we are at Bombay Exhibition Centre where Koelnmesse's global food and beverages technology show Anuga FoodTec started today. Machine Maker, the leading media platform of India, is exhibiting at Hall 3 K61 where we have featured some of the industry leaders like Asim Behra, who is the president of Daifuku Interlogistics, Mahesh Wagle, director of cybernetic technologies, Rupesh Paparaju, Manoj Kumar and Jayesh Patel. These are all the people who are taking India ahead.
We are here to demonstrate and showcase the technologies which can enhance the machine performance, and we promote PC-based control technology. Here what you are seeing demonstration is something which is unique, wherein we transfer power and communication wirelessly, wherein you can bring in efficiency and do the process or an operation during the transportation of a product. So this is something very unique which you can make use of.
Today, I'm going to speak a little bit about this guided tour concept, a very nice and novel concept by Anuga FoodTec and Machine Maker. They have come together where they bring prospective customers to specific stands to meet their requirement. So that time is spent efficiently during the show. We wish them all the very best, both Anuga FoodTec and Machine Maker, for this novel idea. And I hope that this catches on and grows in size. Yeah, all the very best.
Please come and visit us at the Anuga FoodTec in Mumbai. We are very excited to be part of this show. It's known that food and beverage sector is an evergreen sector, and we expect a lot of growth from this sector in the years to come. So please stop by and visit our stall.
Hi, we are from Cybernetic Technologies, and today we are showcasing our cobot palletizing solution that is basically going to help manufacturers with their secondary and tertiary packaging. So we have solutions ranging from case packing, packing bottles, pouches, shrink packs into boxes, and then we have palletizing solutions for boxes, bags, pails and drums.
Vision that we have for getting Anuga in India is to demonstrate the capacity of the Indian food machinery manufacturers to the global audience. India is doing pretty good today, and in the technology front, India has a global acceptance in terms of when it comes to the food and beverage industry. So we have more than 800 exhibitors around here who will be demonstrating the cutting-edge technology on the food and beverage processing and the packaging segment.
We are also promoting the 10 years of Make in India. As you know that during the first term, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced this Make in India initiative. We are celebrating 10 years, successful 10 years, where we are featuring more than 100 stories, innovative stories of Indian manufacturing. Friends, this edition of Anuga FoodTec, we are introducing guided tour in association with Koelnmesse, the organizer, where we are doing 5 guided tours. So take your time and come and visit Anuga FoodTec.